What's good? What's good? Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Bitcoin, guys. We're going to go over some strong signals that we're going to see continuation in this bull run. No, that does not mean that it's promised, but I wanted to go over these signals with you guys. So currently we're sitting at 31,410. We're down about 0.63% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 589 billion, and the 24-hour volume is 21.46 billion. So we're going to start off with the big boy wallets, the whales, guys. You can come over to this website. It's called bitinfocharts.com, and it can show you guys some of the largest players in the game. This wallet's holding $9 billion worth of Bitcoin. This one, $5 billion. This one, $3 billion. So we're going to pop open one of them here. So this wallet is holding $3,668,000,000 worth of Bitcoin, and you can see the wallet is continuing to accumulate. I'm sure you've seen other analysts here on YouTube covering this. Very important to watch what the smart money is doing, what the big boys are doing. So we can see here July 10th, 386 Bitcoin. We can see here today 171 Bitcoin. They're buying at these prices, 31K, 32K, 33K. Back here on June 24th, 3,000 Bitcoin at 33K. So we can see they're accumulating, accumulating. So that can give you a strong signal, a strong bias towards a continuation in the bull run. When we're seeing these juggernauts, when we're seeing the biggest wallets in the game accumulating, that shows us that they believe that this bull run is going to continue. It shows us what their analysts are seeing on the chart. They're telling them it's time to buy, it's time to load up. Now, there are some other signals. Now, I'm sure some of you guys are tired of me talking about this, but we're having the bullish divergences. We can see the price of Bitcoin is falling, but the RSI is rising. The same with the MACD. The price of Bitcoin is continuing to fall, and the MACD is continuing to rise. So we're seeing bullish divergences on both the RSI and the MACD, which are strong signals of a reversal in the trend and a continuation on this bull run. So those are just some signs, some signals that I wanted to make you guys aware of, especially if you're looking for good opportunities to get into the market to buy these dips. These are strong signals that a reversal in the trend and a continuation on this bull run is imminent. All right, guys, not promised, but these are some pretty significant signals here. So we're still hitting resistance on the daily EMA, as you can see here, and I wanted to jump over into the 1 hour chart. Now, I had filmed this video once already, but my screen record decided to cut me off, so it's a little bit of a redo. So I'm just going to take out some of my squigglies here. So we had a little bit of a bounce yesterday, and it looked like we might have a little bit of a double bottom, but of course we had a little bit of a breakout, and then we rolled over once again. Now, I have drawn out this falling wedge pattern, so if you do see us start to hit some resistance, we could also break out here, but if you see us hit resistance, do expect us to roll over. If we lose that 31,000 level of support, let me pull it out so it's more visible here, about 31,133, that's when you could see us come back down and test this level of support from this falling wedge. Now, if we were to see a breakout here, of course, your technical target would be back at the top of the falling wedge, about 33,091, but we would have to break the previous support, now acting as resistance, at 32,492 from our descending triangle. Our breakdown target is still down here at 28K, guys. We have a pretty major level of support here at 30K that we bounced off of a few times here for Bitcoin. So do keep an eye on that little falling wedge pattern. If we see a breakout, your target's up here at 31K. But if you do see us start to hit resistance and we roll over, keep an eye on this level of support at 31,133. You can see we had support here, support here, support here as well. Could act as a strong level of support where you may see a bounce. And if that is broken, I would expect us to come down to about 30,534 and just continue to consolidate within this falling wedge here and wait for a little bit of a breakout. And of course, we also have our larger falling wedge pattern that you can see we're starting to squeeze. So I think a breakout is imminent. Maybe it will come right here where we start to break out. Either that, we hit resistance, we bounce off this level of support, we see our breakout, and your technical target is back up here at 41,607. So I do think a breakout is imminent, especially with these divergences on the RSI. On the MACD, the whales are accumulating. We have extreme fear in the market. So I believe these are all strong signals. Remember guys, it's just my opinion. I'm just telling you guys what I'm seeing here. Strong signals that this bull run will continue, and breakout to the upside is imminent in my opinion. It's either that or we start to break through the EMA here, the 55 EMA on the weekly. We start back testing it as resistance. Let me open this up. We fall down, we back test it as resistance. We have the bearish cross of the 20 underneath the 55. We break 28K, we break 26K. We head down to 24K and we go into a bear market. However, I think there are stronger signals of a reversal in the trend. Just with those divergences, with the whales loading up, with the extreme fear in the market. In my opinion, it's a good time to follow the smart money here and load up on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the strong projects, XRP, Polygon, and the other altcoin projects that you believe in. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. I hope you got some value out of it. It goes a long way if you smash that like button, subscribe. Check out the Discord, over 1,000 members talking all things crypto. Sign up to Bybit and receive up to $600 in bonuses, as well as just $50 just for your first deposit. All right, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.